Every once in a while, we come across properties that are in Newport Coast and they're off market, and you can acquire them for such an attractive price because the house is ready to be turned over. It needs a little bit of love, and it could be remodeled. But whoever takes on that task and remodels this home, it's going to be rewarded by a beautiful home that they can either live in it or they can sell it as a investment property. Let me show you the property. The house sits on a 7,000 square foot lot. It has a really long frontage. It sits in this cul-de-sac back here. Let me show you the inside of it. This is a great property. How close it is to the ocean and what can be done with it to upgrade it in its current condition. With a minimal amount of effort, it can become absolutely stunning. As you enter is the living room and dining room. There is a office on the side. The family room is separated here. Perhaps at some point in time this can be, let me show you the location for this place is unbelievable. Ocean Ridge is a great community. Let me show you the backyard. The backyard is very simple. So you have multiple options here. You can expand the backyard to make it an oasis. You can expand the house, put California doors, maybe with a patio outside, covered patio with a fireplace to add to it. One thing I like to mention is the house sits right on Newport Coast Drive. However, what I can tell you is, as I'm standing in the backyard and having taping this video, the noise is completely manageable. Obviously, it's going to be reflected in the price point, but there are a ton of homes in Newport Coast that sit next to Newport Coast Drive, even those very expensive homes on top, but they all sell because it's a great community. But this backyard has potential to do a lot with. I'm going to take you upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs. I'm going to start with the master. There is so much potential on this house, and that's what I actually like about it. It's so easy to make this work, either as a place for a family to live. Look how tall this window is up here. Like if I wanted to do something, I would change all this railing and I would just put glass. That's the secondary bedroom, one of the secondary bedrooms. This is the 3rd bedroom. The 2 bedrooms are connected, as I said, with the Jack and Jill. See, look, the showers and everything were redone. And this is where the laundry room is. Open it. Laundry room with a sink and cabinets.